We drew inspiration from the personal qualities of the Manila Carnival Queen of the Orient, Pura Villanueva Calao, in designing this piece. Her courage and determination to push boundaries are reflected in the flower-like cut leather embellished with rogue patterns, gold rivets, and eyelets. Her softness and serenity are captured through delicate, wave-like piña seda and cotton-woven fabric adorned with pearls and capuchons. The multiple buckled strap at the back represents her bravery, resilience, and perseverance in overcoming obstacles, struggles, and the restrictive gender norms of her time. The centerpiece mimicking a tambourine filigree that symbolizes her natural beauty, charming grace. All these qualities are combined together in harmony in making in this piece. Countless hands have contributed to this piece, from our government institutions and agencies to our hardworking Marikina local zapateros. Thousands of stitches, punches, and pounding are executed with passion, dedication, and love for making footwear. La Reina de Oriente is more than just a pair of shoes. It honors the legacy of the Manila Carnival Queen, Pura Villanueva Calao. As a leader of the Asociación Feminista Ilongga, she fought for women's suffrage, championing the belief that women are just as capable as men. She used her title to amplify her advocacy, and her relentless effort contributed to securing voting rights under President Quezon. Calao's dedication laid the foundation for a lasting movement, inspiring future generations to fight for equality and justice. Her work sparked change, encouraging others to stand for women's voices, representation, and rights. Her legacy remains a powerful reminder that the journey towards equality continues, urging future leaders to keep pushing for progress.